Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. My name is John. Usually what we do on this channel is all about saving, looking for promotions, sales items, discounted items. Okay, so today is Labor Day, so I want to wish everybody a happy Labor Day with their friends and family. And today's videos, we're going to be talking about this Milwaukee M12 starter kit for the batteries and the charger. As you can see over here, the regular price is $249, but today there's a $50 off, and it shows right here if we it will come with a free gift, and I'm going to show you what free gift to pick. So we're going to add these to the cart first. Add it to the cart, and then here just basically asks you if you want protection plans for your items, your tools, which in case we're going to decline it, and we're going to add this one right here. Well, we're going to add the most expensive items that we can find. Okay, so I think 179 is the most expensive one. So we're going to add it to the cart, and then we're going to view the cart, and then you're going to see the reflection in the price of for both items itself. So click on the view. So here, please make sure promotion items have the same delivery or pickup options, and try it again. Here, we're gonna just try, I added twice. Let me do just one and get an update. There you go. So you see here, we can just click on the pickup, store pickup, okay? So once we added the two items together, you can see the price for the batteries is from $199, it dropped down to $104.76, and for the light itself is $179. Now it come down to $94.24. So your total price come out to be $199. That's before tax. So the hack for this is depending on what you need or what you want. So if you just only want the batteries and the charger, then you, at the time the pickup, you can just return the Milwaukee light, which will give you a credit of $94.24. Vice versa, if you wanted the light, then you just return the batteries, $104.76. I've done this before, and I have not had any issues. I guess the Home Depot, they already know about this. They already give you a price breakdown on the receipt, on the invoice, and none of the employees ever give me any issues with returning the items or even questioning the items. Okay, so, but that's just my experience. So I don't know what your experience is. So let me know in this comment section below whether you the hack was doable for you, or whether any of the employees give you hard times. But other than that, it's Labor Day. Let's have a safe one, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up. And if you like the savings, this channel is for you. Just it helps me out a lot by having you guys click on the like button, and also subscribing to the channel as well. That's one of the ways that you guys can show your appreciation, me doing like this videos like this. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.